Wind advisory in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. What? Southwest to west winds 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Where? Northern Ohio and northwest Pennsylvania. When? Until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening. Impacts. Gusty winds will blow around unsecured objects. Tree limbs could be blown down and a few power outages may result. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution.